Hey, in the shop with me today, I got my good buddy Rick Schmidt from National Parts Depot. Rick, it is always so good to have you here.
It's always great to be here.
And man, we got some shiny stuff here. Looks like we'd be talking bumpers today.
We're talking about bumpers today, and we've been selling replacement reproduction bumpers for many, many years. You know, trailer loads and trailer loads of bumpers. So it's really a common and high volume item, but I just wanted to spread the word that there's a lot of different bumper manufacturers out there. Most of them are abroad, and a lot of different toolings. We are very, very proud that we feel that we've identified the premium manufacturers for reproduction bumpers, to where you not only get an affordable bumper, but you get one that fits and that you're proud to have on your car.
Right. Well, you know, there have been reproduction bumpers for a long time. The early ones, frankly, weren't all that great.
Oh, yes, yes.
And there's still a lot of them out there that, you know, I mean, all of them are not created equal.
Hobbyists are right to be cynical about a reproduction bumper. And that's what we're here is to alleviate some of that cynicism, because what you see on the bench here in front of us are beautifully trimmed, detailed, wonderfully smooth, straight, and not wavy.
And that was one of the things.
Yeah, not jagged edges, and I guarantee you when you go to bolt it on the car, it'll fit properly. These are really, really high quality triple plated reproduction bumpers, and we have our sources, and we figured out the factories that know what they're doing, and here they are. And the price ranges on these bumpers that we have here, I just brought a small array because we've got bumpers for all of our different lines. We'd be buried in bumpers. We'd be in a bumper hut if I brought everything here, but I brought 69 Camaro bumpers front and rear. I brought 6970 Mustang front and rear bumpers. I brought 1970 Chevelle bumpers.
The big ones.
For all of the other car lines that we carry, we've got your bumpers as well. They range in cost depending on the size and weight of the bumper from anywhere from $112 a bumper to $188
which
a
is,
bumper.
I mean, which is amazing, because rechroming, you know, if you want to do a Concours car or something like that, you take your good core and stuff, it's pricey.
Yes.
You could have your original as almost your dress bumper. This is what you put on the car
to drive.
To have fun with.
Yeah, to have fun with. You know, there's so much more emphasis these days with the Resto-Mod movement.
Absolutely.
Drive your car.
And they bolt on, for goodness sake.
So your car's going to be out there in harm's way. You're going to want to take it out to lunch or dinner. You're going to take it to the hardware store. If you've got your original GM or Ford bumpers in harm's way, those cores are getting harder to find. And getting a good quality replate these days is anywhere from $500 to $700 a bumper or more, and that's assuming you've got a straight, solid core
that they don't have to do any extra work on.
Yeah, if you've got a 69 Mustang and for $112 for front, and then another $100 for the rear.
If it gets whacked, get another one.
Yeah, get another one. They're literally, they're so affordable. It's like a disposable bumper, but nobody will know the difference. They really are beautifully done, look the part. Why have your original stuff out in harm's way?
Absolutely.
And again, it's wrapped up in the attic or in a closet.
It's a bolt-on piece. I mean, you could really do this, you know, you could replace a bumper in a half hour.
Yes.
So these reproduction bumpers really make a lot of sense. It really is a great way to go. But as you said earlier, not all are created equal.
There's multiple manufacturers out there, both Taiwan and China primarily. Ours are all sourced to Taiwan and to specific factories in Taiwan that are producing the type of quality that I'm proud to carry. So that's what we have here. And Taiwan is a very democratic, it's very much like us. It's not so much like China, and they very much are focused on improving quality, and the proof of that is right here in front of these really beautifully done bumpers.
They're fantastic. Well, hey, if you want to learn anything more about these great reproduction bumpers from National Parts Depot, or any of the other wonderful restoration and reproduction parts they make, log on to nationalpartsdepot.com. So good, I'm thinking one right back there, just for show.
Yeah, yeah. Keep it here.
Perfect.